Here we've got a washing machine, Panasonic NA148 VB6. Generally been pretty reliable. It went through a phase of the control not working and the display going a bit wonkers, and that was really just, I think, a dirty connection, and just moving it backwards and forwards seemed to cure it, and well, it hasn't done that for months. So didn't really have to do anything in terms of taking it apart or anything. Unfortunately, we've got this issue whereby we've got a bunch of rust coming underneath here, and it's obviously dripping moisture down here, and that's not so good. So I'm going to see if I can take off the back, well, maybe not the back, the lid first, because there's two screws just at the back, and then we'll see what we see if we can get to this, see if we can sweep off the rust, repaint it or something like that. Alright, with the lid off, we can now see the front plastic piece. There are two screws at the corners, and then some more, well, actually, yes, they're just the two screws there inside, and then at the front, just got one screw here. I feel like there should be something else. Not sure how to get that off, but we'll see. So it was actually, yeah, quite easy. With the screws out, they're just sort of plastic clippy things that you've just got to lift up and sort of out. I mean, you can see a dreadful mess here with this rust. I don't really know why there was so much moisture accumulating here. Where would that have come from? I mean, splashes out through here. Maybe this doesn't seal properly against this. Maybe. I guess that must be it, because that's the only place I can see it would come from. Yeah, some of the plastic bits though here, the corners are cracking. I mean, this is in a conservatory with maybe some more UV than you'd get in a kitchen perhaps, and bits of plastic have just fractured off something here. I don't know quite where they came from, but maybe some cable holder or routing, I don't know. Anyway, the main problem, I guess, is to clean up this, try and scrape the rust off as much as possible, put a bit of paint there perhaps, and then see if I can put some extra sealant. I mean, you can see here some of this is the washing powder, so that's obviously crept up there somehow. Maybe we didn't operate it fully locked in, fully engaged or something, I don't know. Anyway, we'll have to clean up this next job. So I was going to try and get this plastic off to get to the switch to put some contact cleaner in, just to have a preventative measure for that problem coming back, and I was able to get this piece off under the cables here fairly easily. It's all plastic clips and stuff, but then I struggled to get this off. There's definitely plastic clips here, and I got some of them loose, but I couldn't seem to get it all out without risking breaking something. And then I realized, well, actually, if you look closely down there, that's the switch. So there's a hole there which moves as you rotate the switch. So I'm just going to spray a bunch of contact cleaner down there and hope for the best. I'd rather do that, I think, than try to break some of the clips around the sides. So yeah, that's what I'm going to do. Alright, so I've removed most of the rust with the rust remover, bit of sandpaper, clean it, repeat, and then I put some white spray paint on here, although it's a kind of creamier white, but never mind, it'll have to do. Most of it is covered by the plastic. It's just a little bit at the front that's visible, but well, nothing's perfect. What else? Just got the gunk around these areas here where two bits of plastic mate. and repairing a bit of broken plastic there on the edge. So I think once that paint's dry, it's really time to put the cover, or this front piece, back on, but just note that this is where the moisture must have come from. So I'm going to put a little bit of silicone sealant around there, I think. I'm not going to need to, hopefully I'm not going to need to remove this again. And that's really the only place that the water could have come in from. So yeah, I think I'll do that, and hopefully that will last at least for the rest of the life of this machine. Alright, so this is the end result. I did see, there's a small gap here along the bottom, these two pieces of plastic, because there's only one screw here pushing them together. So here it's just sort of plastic clips. So yeah, a bit of moisture could go down there, I suppose. So with that silicone curing now, hopefully that will stop any more moisture. But yep, that's it. Only time will tell, and we'll see in a few months if that's still okay or the rust has started to come back.